Relational database. What is a relational database? A relational database is a type of database that store and provide access to data points that are related to one another. A relational database is collection of information that organizes data points with defined relationship for easy access. In the relational database model, the data structure including data table, indexes, and view remain separate from the physical storage structure, enabling database administrator to edit the physical data storage without affecting the logical data structure. How does a relational database work? The data table used in the relational database store information about related object. Each row holds a record with a unique identifier known as a key, and each column contains the attribute of the data. Each record assigns a value to each feature, making relationship between data points easy to identify. What is the structure of relational database model? The relational database in 1970 in his paper, A Relational Model of Data for Large Shared Data Banks. And next, what is a non-relational database? A non-relational database is a database that does not use the tabular schema of rows and columns found in most traditional database systems. Relational vs. non-relational database. Non-relational databases do not store data in rows and columns like their relational counterparts. Example, non-relational databases may store information in key value pair or graph. Non-relational databases are called NoSQL databases because they do not use structured weakly language for requests. Why is a relational database important? A relational database main benefit is the ability to connect data from different tables to obtain useful insight. How data is structured within a relational database can also be useful for manage access permission, since the relationship between data points are predetermined and require a unique ID to reference. User only obtain relevant pre-screened information. Benefit of relational databases. Simple and centralized databases. Relational databases are simple tagging between tables, provide a wealth of information that can be used for various purposes. Easy to use. Many companies use relational databases and ERP to organize and manage large amounts of data. Save time and money. By using relational databases, companies can stay organized and efficient. That's all. Thank you. This is IT24 Information Management. Erica A. Isidro, BSCS 24.